Some cell phone number pattern is really hurting our marriage and our family, and in this video we're going to mention that one. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. You know, in previous video, we mentioned why the cell phone number is so important to us. It's just simply because right now, we can't live without our cell phone. Our cell phone is just like a part of us. So with the cell phone Feng Shui, that means your cell phone number will affect you a lot in your career, love, health, wisdom, family, reputation, status, and all the things will relate to your cell phone number. And in this video, we'll focus on, hey, there's some number that will affecting to our family, even will affecting to our marriage. You know, we mentioned the number X. The number X is most people will think it's a good luck one, but it always depends on your date of birth, whether it's match your date of birth, and then what's the combination for number X. So if you want, can go back to my previous channel and take a look for this number X. And this video, we're going to mention something more like a little bit advanced knowledge. If let's say, for example, if your cell phone number, the last digit is a 38 or 83, so it's all have an X, but with 38 and 83. And this time, that combination will make you have a lot of a family issue, love issue, and then it's not really good for your money luck. You can check it with your friend and with your relative to take a look. And if you want to further study this, okay, you can take a look for that one. Okay, for the divorce number, so there's some cell phone number is related to our marriage. For example, if your cell phone number, the last digit is a 638 or 836. Okay, in this two pattern is we call it divorce number. So if your cell phone number got this pattern, it's easily have some marriage issue, have some family issue, you have some hidden enemy, and it's not really good for your money fortune. You have a money come and money goes issue, but more important, it will be related to your money, to your family, and to your marriage. So this is we call the divorce number. You can check it with your friends, with your relative to see whether that kind of combination is better to them. Okay, to more extent, if let's say there's with this combination 1638 or 8361, this is more like a more damaging energy to your marriage, to your family. So if let's say if your cell phone or your friends, your relative, the cell phone number, if have that kind of combination, especially is the end of those number is 1638 or 8361, that two pattern is really damaging to the family and to your marriage. You can check this out. And if you want to check your cell phone number, you can email me, you can call me. I'm here to help you. Okay, thanks for watching, and I wish you good luck. Thank you. If you want to learn more about traditional Feng Shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current Feng Shui setting and yearly Feng Shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.